Greetings, my name is Daniel Tal, and I hope that you're having a good day. This is part 2 of the Vali Architecture InstantFence on how to place it, this time on the sloped wall that you see here. I'm going to show you a little bit more of an advanced tutorial in terms of how this works, and I'll go from there. So first and foremost, I'm going to go to the top of this wall surface. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to copy it over. I have a separate version of SketchUp open. So I'm going to go back into my model here. I'm going to copy this surface into this model by doing paste and place. Can't see where it is. I'm going to delete the little guy here. Click on my zoom extents button, and there is my surface. Now the thing is because it's a sloping wall, barely sloping. See, it's barely sloping, but it is sloping. I want to really quickly create a center line out of this. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go and use an extension called Nroth Flatten to Plane. Link in the description below. You can get that on the extension warehouse. It's free, but what it does, this is a great tool. I should have a shortcut for this actually. Click on it, and it will create the surface that I need here. It'll flatten it. I'm going to turn the hidden geometry off. I'm going to delete that surface since it has some hidden geometry on it. I'm going to create a surface that's now flat. I'm going to take the offset tool. Again, I'm always using shortcuts. I'm going to take the offset tool, select that. I'm going to delete the edges here, but what I've got now is a profile line that I can use. I'm going to double click to delete one of the lines. I don't need both. I'm going to select that second one and make that into a group. Right click, and I'm going to make it into a group if you want to, using the shortcut Make Group. I'm also going to lift this back up because I'm going to paste this back in place into the other model, and I want it to hover over there. So that's right, I'm going to go bring this in here. I'm going to do it on the outside of the instance. I'm going to do Edit, Control X. I'm going to go back into here, back into my main model, and do Edit, Paste in Place. Not sure where it went. There it is. You can see it floating right there. Sorry about that. I'm going to bring this down using a reference point in the background. This is what I do. So just bring the model down. And now I'm ready to make a profile out of this. No joke. Control S, always save. I don't think I say that enough of the videos. I save constantly. For some reason, my SketchUp backup doesn't work, and it doesn't necessarily save copies. So I'm obsessive compulsive about that. Anyway, that's good from CAD days. Now that I have this on here, I want to get it down onto here, and especially because it's sloping. So I'm going to go and I'm going to hit my shortcut again, which is Shift F, and I should have the modern fence already selected in here. And I'm going to go back to parameters, and this time I'm going to say, yes, this still needs to be make overall group, yes. I want you to drop this onto terrain. And you have options here. You can step it, you can top step it, you can slope it. I'm going to click slope. I'm going to say don't equalize segments, but just as a warning, you might get some interesting results. Sometimes that doesn't always work right. But I'm going to hit hide parameters and say make fence. It's going to say which direction do you want the fence. Produce the fence for me, and then there you go. It produced it and sloped the fence as well. You could sample this color. And there you have the ability to create InstantFence along this whole thing. Works out great. I don't know a faster way to do this. And there's other tools with Vali Architecture that I will go over that are also extremely time savers similar to this one. If you like these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share it above all else. Thank you very much, and I hope you continue to have a good day.